Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited. My 2025 extra large lucky bag just arrived. Do you want to know if I'm lucky and see what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the new 2025 Lucky Bag by Beautylish is here. I'm super excited. I got the extra large one this time. I think the very first time was in 2020 when I brought this to the channel. So every year I love to grab one. If you guys don't know, the day after Christmas, Beautylish will launch their Lucky Bags. Now, years ago, if you were not there at launch time, you probably would not grab the extra large unless you were extremely lucky and you were really quick. But this time, however, they still had them available like throughout the entire day. I even checked like 3 a.m. my time and some were still available. I'm like, holy moly, that's unheard of. So they might have even had more this year or less people buying them, but either way, this year was the easiest year to get your hands on any of the tiers. So I'm gonna go over the pricing and everything to tell you what it is. Then we're gonna dive in and see how lucky I am. So just like every other year, they're all the same. They have their own pricing per box and shipping is in addition. So the first option is the original Lucky Bag. That one is $75 with $15 shipping, and that will have $150 value or higher. Or you can do the extra large like I did. It is $150, $20 shipping, and it's supposed to have at least $300 or higher in a retail value. You could also do the extra large size in Wayne Goss products, same price as this one, $150 with the 20 shipping. That one you could select the skin tone, and the original you can as well, just not mine. That one's $300 worth of products or higher. Or there is a Jeffree Star. That one was a $75 with $15 shipping with $150 value. Or you can get one and gift one. So you're getting one for yourself and then you're gifting one to somebody in need. So you have all of those options, pretty much the same as other years. So again, I snagged the extra large and I'm super excited to see what we have. Now, the only one that I've seen do this one so far is my friend Rena over at Boxes and Deals, and I will link her video down below if you would like to take a look at her original size. So if you want to see my extra large and then you want to pop on and see what an original would be, you can go check hers out if you would like. So let's go ahead and dive in. It says, packaged with love in California, packed by Esmeralda. Thank you, Esmeralda. And that's one thing, me being in Florida, it takes a lot longer to ship this way. Plus, anytime I'm really excited for something, it always takes a scenic route. There was a holiday and a weekend. Lo and behold, here we go. So it says Lucky Bag 2025, and I believe it's the year of the duck. I always save the card, I always save the paper, and it says, you're one lucky duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy, a sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside. Yes, hopefully we do. So removing the paper, it looks like it's gonna be like a poster style. Completely different. Normally it's all one pattern and I use it for like scrapbooking, that kind of thing. This time it's like a little 4-scene paper. So there is the packaging. All right, so now let's go ahead and start going over all of the items inside. So the first one that I'm pulling out is the Orbe Valley of Flowers Replenishing Body Wash. I have never used, I don't think anything from this brand, nor do I don't really think I know anything about this brand. The flowers thing is kind of telling me maybe rose. I'm not sure. I'm gonna need to look at the scent notes to see if it's something that I'm gonna keep or pass down to one of you guys. But it is a really cool package. I give it that. Let me go ahead and find this on the site and then I can give you the pricing. Okay, so from their actual website, this is for $54. Holy moly, I would never pay that for a body wash. So good thing they come in the box. And this one here says Valley of Flowers fragrance. The keynotes, the top is sparkling palmetto, Italian bergamot, blue violet. Middle is Bulgarian rose, white peony, jasmine petals. And then the dry down says warm amber, sandalwood, and creamy musk. So since it has that Bulgarian rose in there, I definitely want to pass it down to somebody else who would use it. Rose gives me a huge migraine and I get them enough. I don't want them if I can't help it. But I do really like that it's a body wash. I just really wish it was in a different scent, so then I would be able to use it. But there's item number 1, and for $54, oh my goodness. Okay, so next up we have is by Verb. It says Balance Relief Dandruff Shampoo. I don't have dandruff, so this is not a product that I would use. Let me see what the price is on this one. So on the maker's website, this is normally $20, currently on sale for $16. But I do not, again, have dandruff, so I guess I will pass that down to somebody that might. So there's item number 2. Up next, we have a product that looks like it's by Arctic. There's that. And then scanning the barcode, finding the maker's website on this one, it looks like it is valued at $40.25, and it's a Smoke Reflect Cream Plus Powder Eyeshadow Duo. I don't normally do anything with the like the liquid or the cream shadows. However, I don't know if this is the same brand, but I know Rena showed in her box there was something that had like a bottom color and then the topper, and it just looked really neat. So I thought it was a great concept. So I'm going to swatch it to show you guys. Again, I don't know how much I'll use it then because I normally don't pull these type of products, but I definitely wanted to show you. So here is the packaging. So it does have a mirror on the top, and then this would be like the topper color. And then under here, and it says Disrupt. So my color would be, ooh, Disrupt. Ooh, that is actually kind of pretty. Let me swatch it for you guys. Ooh, very, very creamy. So there's that color right there. And then taking the shimmer. Kind of looks like a duochrome. It kind of looks gold to pink. But then that's what it kind of looks like if you put it on. If you want to see the color by itself swatched, it's just like a shimmer right there. So that is really neat. I don't have anything like that, and I think that it's cool. Even though it's a single shadow, it's 2 different types and it's all in one unit. So I think that's very clever, especially in the packaging. So there's that guy. Next up we have is a product by Good Molecules. It's their pimple patches, and it says there's 60 of them in here. I really do love Good Molecules. I love their serums and their toners. I haven't used the pimple patches yet, but I love having a pimple patch. Whenever it's that time of month, I do break out, and these things work wonders. They help you. I love pimple patches. These are valued at $8 for the 1 pack of 60. So there's that. Up next, we have a lip product by Charlotte Tilbury, and it looks like it's going to be that color right there. It's called High Society. It looks like they have several different colors. This one does, however, look really nice in like a nude, like a nudie mauve kind of color. I, however, do not normally wear anything with my lips, so I will pass this down to one of you guys in a future giveaway. I love passing down to you guys. If it's not for me, it's for one of you guys. So it's always a win-win. So this I will definitely pass down. And again, it looks like it would be that color right there. So there is that guy. Next up we have, it says Botanics Petit 5 Just Hand Cream for all skin types. Ooh, this has coffee seed oil, aloe vera, and it says that it's on the go hydration, quick absorption for the busy hands. And this guy is valued at $27 for this size right here. That is a great size to just drop down in your purse, your book bag, put on your nightstand. So that's a great size for a hand cream. Again, valued at $27. So now we have a product by Kitsch. This, however, is a little large for my little thin hair. So I will pass this down to somebody who has a lot of hair that could use it. It's like this rosy color, and it is valued at $10 for this guy right there. So I'll pass that in a future giveaway. Up next is the Sonia G brush. We always get a brush. Sometimes you can get like the whole brush set, I believe. I think one year I got a whole brush set. This is valued at $34. This is the Fundamental Crease L brush. So you have this crease brush right here. I'm very picky with my brushes, and I only use very few, so I'll probably just set this in my future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy, because I know I won't pull for it. There is the brush. We have 2 more items left, you guys. Down inside this bubble wrap, we have some type of like a palette. This is a blush bouquet rose gold dual blush palette. I don't do anything with blush, so this will go in my future giveaway pile for one of you guys as well. And this is what the package looks like. There is a large mirror on the top. And then here are the colors. I don't want to blind you. There you go. Those are really pretty colors, and I like that they're lighter colors, so it'll probably go with a lot of skin tones. But again, I don't do anything with blush or highlighter, so I'll gladly pass this down to one of you guys. And then the last item in here, you guys, is a Viseart palette. And let's open this up and see which one. I do not have a Viseart this big, so I'm excited. How does this work? Oh, it just has a magnet, so it's just a little pull. Ooh, so it's actually a really great mixture of like all colors. Look at that. So you got lights to darks to brights to bolds to mauves to falls. Like, that is a little bit of everything in one palette. Wow, I'm impressed by that big boy right there. There's a whole lot of colors. Again, there's lights to brights to all of the above. And I really like that. Let me get a price on this one for you guys so we can total up everything. Does this one not? It has a barcode. I've been scanning all the barcodes. So let me do this one. Holy moly, this is valued at $150, you guys. Holy moly. So glad that I got it in this box because dang, I think the most expensive palette that I bought has been the Pat McGrath, and they're like, what, $125, $129, something like that. That is the most that I have spent. And this is the Grande Pro 1X. Again, $150. Holy moly, it's a 35 pan palette. And again, that's just crazy. I'm so glad though that I have it, and it's this one, because I think the only other palette that I have, the biggest one, it's not even that big. I think it's a brow palette. It's not even an eyeshadow palette. So I'm really excited. Oh, and the whole thing just comes out. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a little video that I'm watching right now on their website. And basically it shows that this little apparatus here, you just peel off. Oh, you just pull it right out. Sweet. And then it showed these break away so you can, and that's all, like, it has a magnetic, so this stays, like, it's magnetically into this tray. It's not just like, you know, like a tablet where it just folds in and it just can still fold right out. Like, look at, it's holding all on its own. No wonder why this is a $150 palette. It better do some fang-dangle little magic over here and hold up by itself. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I never knew. Oh, and then it shows this whole thing comes off as well. Yeah. Look at, you can just take the whole little thing off if you wanted to. I don't know why you'd want to remove it because this is so freaking cool. But yeah, all those magnets in there. Holy moly. I love that. And yeah, now I learned how to take this thing off and how to prop it up and all of that. I didn't even know it did that. Did you? I did not know. Good thing I watch videos sometimes. So a quick recap for my lucky bag is the Kitsch Hair Claw valued for $10. The Orbe Body Wash valued for $54. Verb Dandruff Shampoo valued for $20. The Cream and Powder Eyeshadow Duo valued for $40.25. Good Molecules Pimple Patches for $8. Charlotte Tilbury's Lip Luster valued for $25. Botanics Petty 5 Hand Cream valued for $27. We have the Blush Palette for $34. The Sonia G Brush for $34. And then the Viseart Palette for $150. That makes my entire box a retail value of $402.25. Okay, you guys, so again, that is everything in my lucky bag. I honestly feel just having this, I'm lucky, because this is basically what I paid for, $150, with the shipping, and all of this other stuff just came as a plus. So this blush palette here is gonna go for one of you guys. This brush, the Charlotte Tilbury, the dandruff shampoo, the claw, and the body wash. So the only thing that I'm keeping from this is the $150 palette. This because I thought it was cool and I wanted to swatch it for you guys, so I touched it. The hand cream because I can always use some hand cream, and the pimple patches because I could always use them too. This is what I will be keeping out of my lucky bag. Everything else will be passed down to one of you guys in a future giveaway, and that is so exciting. If you wanted to check out the regular size, again, I will have Rena's video linked down below. You can go check and see what she got in her $75 box. This is everything that I got in my $150 box. Comment down below and let me know, did you grab one? Did you like this? What would be your favorite item? Do you think you'd be lucky if you got this whole variation? I know some people could use this dandruff shampoo. Some people have a lot thicker hair than me. I know some people use the brushes and the blushes and all of that. And a lot of people do love the rose scent. However, it just doesn't agree with me. It just like lavender. In my head, it gives me a migraine, so I stay clear away. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. I have it all right there for you guys. If you haven't done so already, I'd appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button, and then you can see all of the different videos that I do. I do so many different ones. If something comes up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you do. It's that simple. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.